Hello everyone, this is Gurpreet Kaur, English Mistress from Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Ajnala, District Amritsar. Today, while participating in the Teacher Fest, I am going to share with you an app that is called Flashcards. You can use it for creating study sets and you can install it or download it from the Play Store section. I have already installed it in my phone. Here it is, Flashcards. I have already created a set on the topic of one word substitutions. I'm gonna show you how to create the sets. So first of all, press on create set, name, type the subject name, English. In description you can type the topic. I am choosing opposite words. Then press on tick button and our set has created. Now we are going to add cards in it. So press on add cards. Again press add cards. Here we can see two blocks, term and definition. As you know, I have chosen opposite words topic. So in term I am going to type the one word, first word innocent, and its opposite word I will type in definition, guilty. Then you have to press on add next card. When you press on add next card, your first card has added in your set. So like this we will add a few cards in it. Intelligent, silly, add card, cloudy, definition, clear, add next card, insert, compliment, and next card, synonyms, antonyms, and next card, wide, narrow. Like this you can add more cards, and when you finish your cards, then you have to press on this tick button. We have created six cards. Now we press on the backward button. Here it is our here is our set that we have created, opposite words. Now let's see how to share this with our students. We have to share it with our students with this share link. By clicking on the share link, this screen will pop up. Here you have to press on generate share link. Then the link will appear and you have to just copy it, or you can share this link from here with your WhatsApp contacts or with your students. It is as easy as we share our Zoom app meeting links with our students. So next step is how will the student will practice it. So they have to do just press on practice. Here these are the reviews. First 5 reviews are, or 5 modes are freely available. I suggest you to prefer firstly the audio player. In audio player it will help the students to learn the actual pronunciation of the words. Like this, click on start, click on play button.
Innocent, guilty, intelligent, silly, cloudy, clear, insult, compliment, synonyms, antonyms, wide, narrow, innocent.
Like this they can easily learn how to pronounce the difficult words. So let's see the other modes. Then here it is the writing mode. All they have to do, as you can see there is a one word guilty. Then the next opposite word they have to type in this box. Guilty, opposite, innocent, submit. The next card, silly, intelligent. They can learn the pronunciation of the words by pressing on the play button.
Intelligent.
So like this they can play these cards like game. Let's see the other mode, match cards. This is the easiest one. What we have to do in it, you have just to match the pairs. Wide, its opposite is narrow. Synonyms, antonyms, insult, compliment, innocent, guilty, intelligent, silly, cloudy, clear. Like this the summary will appear after they will finish in this learning. So, and the other mode is the select definition. It is like MCQs. Wide, narrow, synonyms, antonyms, insult, compliment, cloudy, clear, innocent, guilty, intelligent, silly. Like this. In the basic review mode is just for they can use it. Use it to remind themselves which word they feel is hard, good, or easy. So like this they can use this flashcard app for learning, and the teacher can use it for creating more study sets and sharing with their students. Thank you very much.